just what you show me some love. Whip, got it, whip, got it, yeah, got it. SBF, got it.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trinity Shauntea if you're new here. And yes girl, we are back. Yes, so I done made it to my friend's house. I'm about to go inside. We're just gonna have like a little girls night or girls weekend or whatever. So yeah, it is Saturday. I came up here, I just got here. We're just gonna have us a little girls night. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be lit. Have a few drinks, have some food, you know, it's girl talk. So yeah, so that's why I'm about to go inside. So I'll see y'all in there. Hi girl.
You
texting. Oh god, what you got?
Oh,
Some marga. What is that?
Easy had already got.
I ain't seen that before.
Patron. In the bag.
Meat and crackers, okay, fruit tray, wings, some sweets.
I like this hat and this bob look, honey.
Oh, thanks, girl.
Alexa, shuffle top song by India Youngboy. Cause you know that's my favorite.
Shuffling the top songs by Young.
Oh, we gotta take a shot. What's it?
Your number. Shawty can't do it there here so good. I used to know, bro. When she make
Damn, these ain't like they used to be. What's up when they need to be?
Alright, so this is what a man usually has that we love in the midsection.
Abs.
Okay. You gotta do it the other way.
Okay, I'm ready.
Alright, so we trying to get like this tonight.
Lit. Drop.
Go up. Pass. Go down.
Right. How many you gotta get right?
Okay, so she we like to have her on the poster. She wear the red lipstick, blonde hair.
Marilyn Monroe.
Okay, go up. Alright. Okay, so this can happen in a type of environment where we drinking and then something break out.
What the fuck?
Go down. Okay, so you can be driving. It's a something that you drive in, like some. The city girls be talking about this car.
SRT, make them get wet. Car charger.
No, like
Sports car.
it's a sports car. It goes real fast.
It's low.
Low.
Lamborghini.
Go down.
Sure, we got two. You can tell how you got it. Yeah, our score was two. So we got, it was Corvette and a bar fight. Let me see what the fuck it is. Somebody. I don't know. Strong. Oh shit, you gotta say Playboy Bunny. No.
Oh my god.
No, she didn't get that. All right. Ooh.
He's a boxer.
He bit somebody's ear. Boxer. He bit somebody's ear. He bit somebody's ear.
He bit somebody's ear.
He bit the ear. He has a tattoo going on. Mike Tyson.
Yes.
It's a form of liquor, and we be putting it in the refrigerator. And it's it's little small things, and we mix it with something.
Absolute.
You miss alcohol in it, and then we freeze it in the refrigerator for so many times. Yeah, okay. Oh, this your bitch right here. It ain't Courtney. It ain't Chloe, but it's
Kim Kardashian.
okay. I'm finna dance for him. I'm finna do a
strip tease.
Okay. Oh shit, that bitch good. Oh bitch, I don't know that one passing. Oh, you need to pop a pill, baby, or you gonna have a baby.
Plan B.
Okay, so what's that? No, what's that called? If you pop a pill, you trying to protect yourself from what?
Birth control.
Yep. Damn, Trent, good. Okay. It's a beer. That's a beer.
Corona.
Pass. Okay, that's it. That's it.
All right, cheers, bitches. We do it because we used to it. Whole time purple, baby, like it in the church.